It's true that the time is not on our side. But as we all know, tough times don't last, tough people do. So I hope all of you are taking good care of yourself and your family. We know that this lockdown will end soon and everything will be back to normal. Yes, just like good old days. So it's very important for us to make sure that once we are ready to resume the normal lifestyle, we have the adequate resources and our assets are in the perfect shape in order to avoid any inconvenience. So, in this video, I will be sharing with you 10 tips to keep your vehicle fit during the lockdown, and these tips hold equally good if you do not use your vehicle frequently or keep it parked for more number of days than you drive it. So, here we go.
So, tip number 1, keep your steering straight when your car is parked. Always. Number 2, move your car forward or backward to avoid flat spots in tires. Number 3, ensure the car is parked on a flat surface. Number 4, keep a check on your battery. Start your car more often if it requires charging. Number 5, keep the engine on for some time. Number 6, check your oil and fluid levels regularly. Number 7, keep your car parked in the first gear. Number 8, avoid using handbrake when the car is parked for long. Number 9, check for any unusual pollution, noise or smoke. Number 10, start your car at least once in 3 days for 15 minutes. I hope you find these tips helpful and they keep your vehicle charged up during the lockdown. Thank you so much for watching my video.